Hey, welcome back to another video. It's good to have you here. So today's video is all about whether you sell on Australia, Amazon Australia, or Amazon USA. And this is a common question we often get asked is, do I sell on Amazon USA? Because everyone's talking about Amazon USA, right? It's the biggest market. That's where you probably get the biggest sales. They've got the Prime Day sales over there, the Christmas Day sales, right? And it is true to a point, right? But Amazon Australia also has a lot of really good opportunities, right? If you're based in Australia or New Zealand, there's nothing stopping you selling on both two marketplaces, Amazon Australia as well as Amazon USA, right? And we actually show you how to go about selling on both markets. It's actually a lot easier than you think, but it does come down to, though, your product and the product that you choose, all right? So we show you how to basically send your goods from China or any other country to Amazon FBA in America as well as Australia at the same time, and really have your brand everywhere. So your brand is not only on different Amazons in different countries and continents, right? You kind of want to be everywhere for your brand. So if your brand is, if you bring in your brand of dog clothing or pet clothing or pet toys, right? When someone types in your pet toy brand, you want to be on Amazon USA, Amazon Australia, you want to have on eBay as well. And we sort of show you how to go about doing that. You really want to be everywhere, far and wide. So have a great day. I'd love to, by the way, if you have any questions and you want to connect with our team, or maybe you want to find out a little bit more about how we work, below this video there's a couple of links. Give those links a click or give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. I would love to have a chat with you. Bye-bye for now. See you later.